left onto Main Street.
Dude, are you kidding me?
That looks illegal.
That means he's a dealer.
I mean, it still looks illegal.
It's a dealer plate.
Are you supposed to put the dealer plate in the license plate?
You don't have to. If you're a dealer. But you're not supposed to be driving a car regularly if you do that. And you're not supposed to cut people off at all no matter what. Ass.
Nice direction.
Yeah. Something's wrong. Is that car stuck?
They are not stopping.
Well, I think they're trying. I think we're all trying here. We're all trying our best.
In 600 feet, turn left onto Main Street.
We're trying.
Will I be able to turn left on the main street?
Someone spin the fuck out.
You know, there's a parking lot right there. Okay.
I think they heard you. Actually, scratch that. I don't think they did. What are they doing?
Oh, you bastard! Stop going around me! Oh my god!
Be careful, be careful.
Asshole.
Take the next left onto Main Street, then turn right onto Piedmont Street.
Wow, it's like when you see cars coming.
Jesus fucking Christ. Is he coming this way?
What's going on?
This is the worst road.
Are you okay?
Oh my god. I thought, I don't know. There's a fire engine. Oh my god. Is he... Jesus.
Well, you can.
He was going up that street. The car that was behind me backed all the way up.
What a fucking nightmare.
I'm putting the entire street experience on YouTube.
Better not.
Everything goes wrong in winter, even in New England. Oh my
Turn right
god.
onto Piedmont Street.